Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to mass send customized emails in Outlook in 2026. Now this particular method lets you send one email to many people while keeping each message personalized with their names and the details. So without further delay, let's walk through it step by step. Now in order to customize the emails, you need Excel or Google Sheets and Outlook together. So first of all, you need to either open the Excel or Google Sheets in your desktop. Over here, you need to start creating a list with the columns like name, email address, phone number, etc. So as you can see, I'm currently using Google Sheets, and here I've added two main columns with the name and email address. Over here, simply provide the details underneath these two columns, or you can add as many columns as you want. Now, if you are using Excel, simply save the file. If you are using Google Sheets, simply first of all click on the option of file, then hover over to download and click on the option of Microsoft Excel, or you can also download it in this .csv format. So once this step is done, hover over to Outlook application, or you can open Outlook in your web browser. Over here, click on the option of new mail. Now you need to start writing your mail message as you normally do. Wherever you want the personalization, you just have to leave the space for a name or the detail. Now go to the option of the options. Here click on the option of start mail merge. Now you need to choose the email messages. When you click on the option of the recipient, you just have to choose an existing list. Now you just have to select that particular Excel file which you have just created. Your contact list will connect to Outlook. You can place your cursor where the name should appear. Then you can insert merge field and select the option of name. Outlook is going to autofill the names for each of these persons. After everything is ready, simply click on the option of finish and merge, and then you just have to start sending the emails to these people. You can also click on the option of the people here in the left hand tab. Here you can provide, or you can basically create a contact list. So when you give this contact list a name, you just have to add all of the email addresses to whom you want to send the bulk email. After that, when you create this list, when you try to basically send the message to somebody, in the to sections, simply provide that list first, and Outlook is automatically going to take all those lists as well. So it is going to basically send the personalized emails to those people at once. So you can also use this method. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.